Keller, you see the baby birds? You see those baby birds? They're out there on the bird feeder. There's a red-headed woodpecker over there too. See the baby birds? See the baby birds? The baby birds are eating their bird seed. They're hungry. They're hungry, Keller. Their little baby birds are hungry. I love Keller. I love Keller. We're looking at the little birds. There's a red-headed woodpecker out there, Keller. I don't see him now, but he was there a minute ago. Have a good day. Love you, Keller. I love Keller. Gigi love Keller. The baby birds love Keller. The cows love Keller. How does the cow go, Keller? Keller, does the cow go moo?